This is why I love digital marketing, affiliate marketing. It's I get reminded of why I started this stuff to begin with, right? The whole idea of what is it? Financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom. This is it, right? I haven't reached the financial freedom part, so make no mistake about it. Still grinding, working hard towards it, but the time freedom and location freedom, right? Being able to work from anywhere and being able to own your 24 hours, right? Doing what you want, when you want, however you want, right? In an ideal world, you know, I would spend all the time I could out here by the water, right? But that's not realistic, right? At least, anyway, not yet, anyway. So, got to keep working. And just for those who have been interested, right? If you're one of those people that is remotely interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, I would encourage you to check out the first link in the description below this video, right? It's a very basic and simple business. It's a done for you business that anyone can get started with in a very simple way. Okay, right? It's all the hassle, all the complication, all the things, sales, the funnel building and all that type of stuff, sales, all that stuff has been taken out, right? It's an easy way to start. All right, well, I should say it's a simple way to start. Now, don't get me wrong, it's important to learn all these things, right? If you want to become a good marketer, a good efficient at making sales and all that type of stuff, that you want to learn how to do all that stuff. But if you're just getting started and you want to, make money, right? Like make money, earn as you learn, right? I'd highly encourage you to check out that first link in the description below this video. It'll give you access to some free training. Just get started with a free account, right? You just need to create a free account, get access to the free training, get yourself set up. And the most important thing is it's going to help you get set up the right way, right? Building an email list, right? Building an email list. That's like one of the most important things that you want to have when it comes to, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, whatever the case may be, whatever it is you're doing, right? You really want to be building an email list. All the biggest businesses, they do it. No reason why you shouldn't be doing it, right? And it's something that, quite frankly, I ignored and was aware of for a long time, but for whatever reason, I just never started doing it, right? As like that's like one of my biggest regrets right now when it comes to digital marketing and affiliate marketing and all this stuff that we do online, right? I kept on procrastinating. For whether it's because I thought it was difficult, right? Or I actually, not only did I think it was difficult, I thought it was unnecessary, right? Like it was like I could, I was basically, I don't want to say maybe, I don't want to call it cutting corners, because this was just more like not knowing any better, like not really knowing the importance of it, right? And so if there's anything you're going to take from this video, I'd highly encourage you, even if you don't get involved with the program that I'm telling you about, first link in the description below. Even if you don't get involved with that, the one thing that you should take away from this is whatever you decide to do, make sure that whatever niche, whatever program you get with, make sure you try to incorporate some kind of list building to it, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, now when it comes to I started out talking about like why I loved like affiliate marketing and digital marketing, and it's the whole time freedom component, right? The whole time freedom component and the location freedom component. There's nothing better, at least in my mind anyway, right? Like, again, let me not make this one of those things where it applies to everybody. There's a lot of people that love their 9 to 5s, and great for them, right? If you have a job that's, like your 9 to 5 that you love, great, fantastic, good for you, okay? So you're not the person I'm speaking to, right? I'm speaking to those who are tired of their 9 to 5s. They want something different, okay? They want a way out, a way to make a little extra money, right? You are the people that I'm talking to, right? Because like I said, this whole entrepreneurship thing is not necessarily for everybody, right? Just like just like the whole 9 to 5 life is not for everybody. So everyone has to look at themselves and know what they want in life and just take the appropriate path that is good for them. Okay, I'm speaking here more so to people who are tired of what they have going on and want a different path, they want to change. Okay, so if the whole location freedom and time freedom appeals to you, then I would highly encourage you to look into this, right? And affiliate marketing, for those of you who don't know, it's a really simple business model, right? You don't own anything, you don't have to manage any inventory, right? You're simply promoting other people's products and services in return for a commission every time you generate leads and or sales, right? Whatever the agreement is with whatever affiliate company it is you have, or whatever the case may be, right? It's that simple. So you don't have to deal with customer service, right? You don't have to manage any inventory. Anything goes wrong, that is for the owner of the product to deal with, right? That's for the vendors, okay? That's for the vendors of the products to deal with. That is not your headache, okay? Obviously, if you're going to bring people into any particular program as a good affiliate, you obviously want to provide some kind of support to the people that you bring in. Tell them about it. If they have questions, of course you want to answer them, that type of stuff, right? You want to be as helpful as possible. That's the biggest thing, right? You want to be a resource, all right? But that's the basics. That's the business model right there. It's really simple, and it's not easy. It's simple, okay? There's a difference, right? And your biggest job, right? The biggest thing you're gonna have to learn is how to drive traffic, right? Whether that is organic traffic, right, through various social media platforms, or search engine optimization on Google through websites and all that type of stuff. If that's a thing, but your best bet right now is going to be with social media platforms. Okay, if you want to go the paid route, you can do paid advertising as well. Okay, and there's all sorts of paid advertising methods, and you will learn all of that inside the program that I'm telling you about if you check out that first link in the description below this video. Okay, anyway, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below. I will be sure to respond, and we'll leave it at that. All right, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.